I've been threatened by the police with drug charges. I've been threatened by my own attorney. There's no evidence. They've lied. Everything. I can prove everything. I'm going to court in a week, a grand jury indictment, facing 10 to 40 years for a prior offender and 7 years for burglary for someone accusing me of attempted shoplifting. All right, they never talked to me or anything, but I didn't help Drug Task Force. They wanted to help me, I didn't. So 3 months later, I get this charge. 3 or 4 visits to court, I finally get an attorney, go see her. Straight lies to me. I could tell it was against me, but she read statements. The police officer said, tried to view the video, was unable to do. I mean, police don't know me. They couldn't identify me. The accuser's been arrested 11 times, shoplifting, stealing, was on probation. She wasn't going to get her and her boyfriend in trouble. They pointed at me. When I finally get an appointed attorney, I said, look, this ain't right, you know. Why is my bond $5,000 all this, if it's all this big crime? 3 days later, I got hit with a grand jury indictment, $25,000 bond on the same charge. You know, the cards are stacked against me. I've tried to get rid of my attorney, everything just threatens me. I went to see the attorney back before summer, and couldn't ever get a hold of him. Secretary tells me she'll be in court all day, but I'll show you the video. So I go 3 hours later. When I went in there, you know, knowing there's no video, go in there, the secretary slipped up. She said, your attorney is at the store trying to get the video. I said, yeah, I figured that. I left. Attorney didn't call me till the next evening. Don't even act like nothing was up. Said, oh, everything's fine. You don't need to come to court tomorrow. I said, oh, I'm coming. I'm going to talk to the judge too. Said, if you come up there raising hell, you go to prison, there might be some drug indictments laying around. I said, I'm not scared. I was, though, but I go to court next day with my mother and my blind assistant because I'm legally blind. Only people in the courtroom besides the attorneys, officials, and the judge, which I want to say right now, I'm not doing nothing to disrespect the judge or his court. He's a good man. But I couldn't say nothing because of the threats. And the attorney went on a leave of absence for 3 months. 2 weeks ago, I go for the violation hearing. My PO stood up, said I did everything. They've asked me, no trouble. The judge said, that's rare that they cheer for you. You know, that's good. They put off the violation. But I got the grand jury trial next week. I got all this information. I got all the data collected from the conversations on the phone with them, or the threats and everything. And you know, they lied. There's no video. Should have been thrown out. Didn't do their job. They've given me up. People's been trying to set me up to get out of their own trouble for a year. I mean, I pushed my family, friends away. Well, I got 2 friends. That's it. But I mean, something's been fishy this whole time. The attorney tells me 2 weeks ago that they tried to put me between a rock and a hard place, so I would run or make a plea. I said, I'm not pleading to nothing or running. I didn't do anything. But I mean, this whole year has been rough on me. I've aged so much, sick, bad health, because I was scared. People disappear over this crap. But I got all the information, like I said, ready in packages to be mailed in case something happens to me. But if anybody could help me or know what to do, man, I sure could use it. I did nothing. It's small town justice. And it's wrong. I mean, they are all wrong. They need to be brought to charges. People that work inside the law think they're above the law sometimes, and it ain't right. But what are you going to do, you know, when you don't have the money to defend yourself like this and scared of threats? Well, I'm not scared anymore. They're not going to take my life from me. And my daughter, she needs her father. I'm going to fight like hell. All I got to do is tell the truth. It's all in their paperwork. They're trapped in their web of lies. The truth will set me free.